Hey guys,
Dinner time.
it's dinner time.
Feeding time with
It
the
is
food.
the last night. We could wait till
Italian
7:15,
Italian food.
but Joe wants to eat earlier, so his food settles. So we're at the buffet again. So today's been a buffet day. So let's take a round of what they have for dinner. Italian night, last day of the cruise. Oh damn! Oh Joe, they brought the charcuterie up. We got to get this. The charcuterie came out. Oh my God, the charcuterie came out. We're getting it. They even have the peppers. Oh my God. Now all this mozzarella is made fresh here. Oh, the gherkins, everything. Oh my God. This looks good. We have beef raciole, and then we have chicken parm. And then we have pasta bolognese, which I'm gonna try it just to see. I will say that their breads are always so good looking, for real. Okay, so we got a lot of food here. We have a lot to taste. Let's see what we got. We have some Italian breaded beef with some veal ossobuco. Then I have a little salad because we need some greens. This is what is this? Rolled beef, chicken parm, little pasta, the antipasto dish. And then we have for dessert, we have a chocolate mousse, a limoncello cake, and a chocolate cream puff. All right. So, this is so funny, I can't. We have so much in front of us. I know it's ridiculous. Mushrooms are good. And of course, that mozzarella is so fresh. I'm telling you, it's the only ship that does it.
The shoot's good.
Or the only cruise line. The prosciutto is good, and they're refilling it. This is what Joe wanted at dinner. But I know, he's going right for the mozzarella. Let's try the parm. Good chunk. That's nice. I'm gonna put it over here because I like to taste everything. Now I do have the veal and the chicken. Let's try the chicken. Now I have a feeling the chicken may be a little dry.
I like it.
Actually, it's pretty good. It's not dry. How weird is that? And this is like a steak rolled up. Is there anything in it?
It's got good flavor.
It's really big. Like, this is bigger than I thought. Look how thick this is. Oh my God. I gotta cut this up even more. That's a big piece. I couldn't take smaller. That's kind of good. It looks just a little dry. Now, the thing I wanted to try was the ossobuco. Okay. I'm gonna try these. That is good. That is so good. It is moist. It has a good flavor. It's succulent. Not a succubus, but succulent.
What's it called?
Ossobuco.
It's good.
I told you. So all in all, I think this is decent.
The chicken parm was really good. Really surprised.
He's surprised about the chicken parm.
I'm not a big chicken parm guy, but it's actually good.
Well, the thing was, we were debating about waiting because our dining time is not till 7:15. And that's a bit of a hard dining time, especially if you want to go to a show. Because it's going to take at least an hour, 15, 20 minutes.
For the full service. It's a dinner service.
Mm-hmm. So, that's just how it is. But whatever they have on the menu, those primary elements will be up on the buffet. Of course, plating is different. I'm surprised. It's actually really good.
This is good.
Yeah. It really is. Now, it does differ from like other lines, such as, example, Carnival always has like other little stations, like the sandwich station, this station kind of thing, where they make you your sandwich. They did have that here, but it's more like the pasta station. But that switches out. One day it might be tacos. One day it might be, who knows, you know? It switches out. Do I like, I have to say I do like the food. More so because I can get such a variety of fresh vegetables, or that charcuterie board. I have not come across one line that's doing it like that.
Right. Now, the dining experiences are similar in all lines.
I do. I think the dining experience. What? No. I will say, no. The dining experience on Virgin was completely different. Because of the dining experience on Virgin, you went to whatever specialty restaurant, whatever restaurant you wanted to go to. You just booked.
Okay.
And they don't have a buffet. They have a food hall.
I'll give you that.
Right?
So MSC and Carnival, the two dining rooms are similar.
Yes, MSC, Carnival, I think Norwegian, Royal Caribbean, all of those are similar. Virgin's the only one that differs.
Nobody better than the other there. In my opinion, they're all the same.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
Yeah, I think so too. Pretty much.
Because I thought the dining room at Carnival, Venezia, was the same as the dining room at MSC here. In my opinion, it was the same.
Yeah, okay.
Now, buffet, different here. MSC buffet is better.
Absolutely.
And
I wholeheartedly agree.
As you know, Virgin has a whole
I know,
different-
these little cups are ridiculous.
Virgin has a whole different spin on dining, so.
Yeah. And I did like their food hall idea. I think that was a little bit more catered to what you wanted at that moment. It was all hot and fresh.
But it did matter because it's only adults.
Exactly.
You couldn't pull that off on a Carnival because of the kids.
Correct. It would be a mess.
So the reason why you have all adults, you can offer different things to adults.
Correct. Now, one thing we've noticed in general, we'll talk more about it, I'll talk more about it, is I think the reason why it's so varied on this ship is because MSC caters to a more European clientele, more worldly clientele. So that's why they have so many fresh vegetables and fruits and stuff, instead of everything very much the same. There's such a diverse thing. And I think it's because people from around the world eat more fresh vegetables in comparison to people from the U.S.
I agree with that.
Because I'm going to tell you, I have never seen a line for fruit.
It's very good. The variety is exceptional. They had papaya.
Okay, so the line for fruit gets a little insane Like, it will go out the buffet because people are lining up to get the watermelon, the pineapple, the papaya, all the fresh cut fruit. I've never seen that on any other line.
And it's fresh, guys.
And that's because they don't carry that. It's so wild.
It's expensive.
It is. And they've never run out of. And they don't just carry one kind of lettuce. They have romaine, they have arugula, they have mixed lettuce, they have spinach. Which is good.
Well, you can get into more on the cruise experience later in the other podcasts, but
Yeah.
the ship design itself is very different, which is something we noticed on all three lines. It's very different. I'm not saying better or worse.
It's different.
Markedly different.
Right.
You have to talk about that. It's more than a soundbite. You can talk exactly about it.
Correct.
But it's true. We were just, before dinner, we were just going through our
We were
memory.
ruminating about it.
And it's real.
And Joe's like, I can understand what you're saying now. But
I can get into what you're saying.
gathering spaces, things like that, I'll get more into that.
But it's it's interesting.
It is. And it'll be interesting once I look up other ships within this line and see how they fare. Wish.
So, like, for example, on Carnival, I hated the buffet. So I always went to dinner. I did not like the buffet.
I totally did not like the buffet on Carnival.
So that's my only Carnival cruise to compare it to, but I did not like the buffet. I enjoyed
They're
it.
all the same.
I enjoyed the dining room. That's why I
Yeah.
went to the dining room every night, because I enjoyed the dining room. Here, the dining room's great, but sometimes you want a buffet, and it's okay. You mix
But the same
between.
food's there.
You go between, you're okay.
And it's not a version of the same food. It's literally the same food. That's
I mean,
the
they-
difference.
they don't
Carnival
have-
would do a
they don't
version
have-
of that
they
food.
don't have-
Here they have someone carving a leg of lamb.
They don't have the strip.
On
They
Virgin,
don't have the
they
strips.
had someone carving a suckling pig. You would never see that on a Carnival cruise. You would never see them doing a suckling pig. That's the crazy part. And every night they had a different kind of, it was either side of beef or a turkey or something. They had Cornish game hen. They had so many other things. It was bizarre.
Not a big fan.
I know, but Joe's like, what is that? I'm like, Cornish game hen.
I just got EBGB'd about the piggy. I had to look away.
You had to look away?
The piggy?
I thought it was
I
fine.
couldn't look at that thing.
I thought it was
It was a
fine.
whole pig.
It literally was a whole pig. With an apple in its mouth.
Stop. It's too much.
Anyway, last night, hope you guys enjoyed our little adventure in the buffet. We'll be seeing you guys back in New York tomorrow.